Okay guys, let's move on to the next part. So here we have been seeing how we can just see the particular like how to create how to just install the M.E.R.N stack stuffs like Node.js as well as a MongoDB compass. So we have been added you can just access my playlist over here. So here we have added the 11 videos, so you can access the particular playlist, and we have been seeing the demo of the project in my previous video, like how all the functionalities works. So in this particular video, let's start with the particular entire coding part. So I'll just cancel out this particular stuff. So now I'll just create a new folder over here. So this folder name, I'll just keep it as something like, I'll just keep it as a M.E.R.N app. Okay, so I'll just give it as the M.E.R.N app over here. So this is the folder name I have been kept. So in this folder, so this is a empty folder, you can just see. So now I'll just open this particular folder. So here itself I'll just create a new folders. So here I'll just create a new folders. So here I'll just keep the one folder as a front end. So here all my front end code is been going to keep, that is the ReactJs code. Here I'll just create one more folder, that is I'll just give it as a backend. Okay, so here we have created a front end, and here we have created that one more folder, that is a backend folder. So now I'll just open this folder inside my VS Code editor. So once it is been open, so you can see it has been open in this particular fashion. So this is the folder is been open inside my VS Code editor. So now what I need to do here is, so first inside my backend folder I need to just work on it. So here I'll just open my new terminal over here. So I'll just open the new terminal. So inside my new terminal I'll just select this is as a command prompt. Okay, so I'll just select it as a command prompt. Now let's what we do here is, first we'll create an API key. So first we'll be creating an API key for the backend part. So we'll see how to connect a database. Then we'll be creating an API key for the users for logging. So for the sign up, so the user can sign up, so he can just give his credentials like username, email, password, as well as this thing. So we'll just create an API key for the sign up purpose. So then once it is been done, then we'll create a front end part for the, like we will be creating a form like where user can enter the particular data, and he can just extract the particular data inside our MongoDB database, and he can just fill how all the operations works. Like in my previous video I have been showing you the demo, right? Same as it is, we'll be going to create it. So now first I need to go inside my backend directory. So I'll just tell cd backend, so backend backend. So I hope you have guys installed Node.js and you have installed the Compass DB. So now once it has been installed, so now what is the next thing I need to do here is, I need to just create a Node.js application. To create a Node.js application, so here I need to just tell npm init. So I'll just tell npm init. So I'll just create an npm init. So what npm init will do here is, it will initialize the particular package. You see, it is just asking me the package name. So I'll just tell it is the package name is something like just give my, it is an to-do. So I'll just tell the package name is to-do. I'll just keep it default. Description I'll just tell so it is a to-do application. I'll just give it as to-do application. Anything you can just give it, it is your choice. So entry point is index.js, enter. Test command I'll just enter. Git repository I don't want, keywords I don't want, author is Anis. Then license I'll just keep it as it is, and I'll just tell yes. Okay, so it has been done. So you can see the package.json file has been initiated. So we have just installed like we have just initialized the particular application, like all the stuff has been there. So in the package.json file, so you can just see inside the package.json file, here all the to do is there, description, main, so all the stuff has been done. We have been just created it. So next what we need to do here is, we need to install the express, then we need to install the CORS policy over here. So I'll just tell npm install express. I'll just tell npm install express. So I want to just install the express over here. To just install the express, I'll just go back to the documentation whether I am typing everything correct or not. I'll just check it. I'll just open this one. I'll just tell install express. So let's tell install express. So how to install express, you can just see in the documentation they would have given. So here I need to just tell entry point has been done, everything is done. I need to just tell npm install express. So I'll just tell npm install express. I'll just enter it over here. So you can see you need to install all your packages. When I'm installing the backend packages, you need to take care whether I'm in the backend directory or a front end directory. So here everything I'm just installing inside my backend directory. So you need to be careful with that particular stuff. So once it has been installed, so this is the one thing we need to just install. So here if I just see the guides of you, so here you can see they have been installed. So once we have installed, you can just use in this particular fashion, like I can just send the particular request hello world. So this is how the stuff will be. Like, you can see how we can just app.get is used for get request, app.post is used for the post request. First it will take an URL, second it will take a request as well as a response. Even the third argument we can just take all the body data. So before the request, the second argument is an optional. Then we can just send the what is the response from the particular API key is been going it over here. So you can just refer all the documentation. So here you see whenever there is some random.text, so random.text is something it is will just display. So here you can see all the URL they have been just given, all the stuffs they have been given, how we can just pass the particular in the JSON format, as well as how to send a response, how to send the request. All those things is been given over here. So same thing we will be working with our project also. So now coming back to here, so you can see the React Express is been installed inside our package directory. So now I need to install the CORS. So first we'll install the CORS also. Install, so let's tell install CORS policy. So why we are using the CORS here is CORS course. So I think, where is it? Yeah, CORS. Yeah. So why we need this CORS? Because so the full form is something like, what is the full form of it? I don't know, I have just forgot it. Something is that like cross policy something. Okay, so why we are going ahead with this here is it will just stop the request, like HTTP request. It doesn't allow few of the data, the JSON data to flow, just display inside our front-end app, or handling the request. So because of that we will be installing the CORS, so that we should not get any what you can say, we should not get any like stopping stuff inside between the center. So we need to keep it same as it like, and Express also will be there, and all the app.use will, we need to just use this in this particular fashion. So here I'll just install the CORS also. So I'll just copy, so npm install CORS policy. So here I'll just right click and I'll just tell enter. Okay, so the CORS will going to install over here. You can see it has been installed now. So now what we have done, so you can see we have the node modules. So we have the node modules inside our backend directory. So all the nodes modules will be there. So now inside, what I need to do here is, inside my backend I need to just create the first thing, I'll just create one particular file. So here I'll just make it as the db.js file, so which is my database connectivity file. So inside here we'll just deal with the database connectivity file. And one more thing, we need to just so we have been installed the particular inside our backend, we have installed what, we have installed CORS, we have installed the Express, then we'll be installing the Mongoose also. So let's we need to install the Mongoose also. This is I forgot. So install Mongoose. Okay, so I want to just install the Mongoose. So this is a Mongoose is a package we need to install, so that we can connect that particular stuff with where we can just connect this particular thing inside our MongoDB compass. So let's copy this command, bring back to here, I'll right click, that is npm install mongoose inside my backend directory. I'll just enter it. So the Mongoose is also been going to install it. Okay, so this is the one thing we need to just install it over here. So if I just allow about node.mon, so to node.mon, how to install the node.mon globally. So let's tell node.mon. So you need to install what, you need to install the node.mon npm also. So the node.mon npm, what does it means, we will be if I just tell npm start, it will just start. Whenever I do the changes, it is not going to reflect properly. So for that, whenever I do any of the changes, it should affect the particular changes inside the terminal also. So because of that, I will install the module that is node.mon. So just install the node.mon module. So once it is been installed, we'll just install the node.mon. So next, rest of the modules we'll see whenever it is required, we'll just install that particular stuff later. Okay, so we have been done. So now coming back to the Mongoose here, so let's tell Mongoose, where is this here? So here it is like this, right? So yeah, so this is the documentation. So they have this telling, this is the this is how we can just create a database tables in this particular schema, and they have been said how to connect the MongoDB. So like using this one, and I can just use this is the required Mongoose, and from this one you can just install the stuff from this one. So all those things they have been set for us. So let's install. So now here I need to deal with the db.js file. So in the db.js file, what I need to do here is, first I need to just connect the particular database over here. So I'll just tell, first I need to just I need to just import the Mongoose. So same as it is, whatever the thing is there, const Mongoose require Mongoose, I'll just paste it over here. So the Mongoose is been done. So next I need to just give what is the URL of it. So they have been set somewhere here. So you can see they have been connected in this particular fashion. So I'll be using some this fashion. So I'll just tell here. So const, I'll just tell const Mongo URI. So the Mongo URI, so the something I'll just give it as this is a Mongo URI. So this will be equal to what? So this will be equal to some of this particular string. So for this particular string, what I'll do here is I'll just go here. So here I'll just go back. How can I just log out from here? So let's tell disconnect from here. Disconnect. So you can see this is the stuff I'm getting. So what I'll do here is I'll just copy this entire stuff here. So I'll just click on to here. So I want to edit, or you should want to edit your connection, confirm. So what I'll do here is I'll just copy everything from here. So I'll just copy everything from here. So I'll just paste everything over here. So I have been just done. This is the connection which I have to done. So from here, what I'll do here is, so after this particular thing, after the question mark, before the question mark, you can just say what is your database name. So the database name, I'll just give it something like, I'll just tell the database name. Okay, so the database name, I'll just tell Todo-list. So let's tell To-Do app. Okay, To-Do app. So this To-Do app will be the database name over here. So you can see if I just click on to the connect. So here I have any of the database. You can see I don't have any To-Do app stuff. So I'll just create the particular database name as To-Do app. So this is the database name I have been set now. So now what I need to do, I need to just connect it over here. So I'll just tell const. So I'll just tell connect to Mongo. So I'll just tell connect to Mongo. So I want to just connect the stuff into the Mongo. So it will just call the particular function call. So what does it mean? So here I need to just use the connect function over here. So I'll just tell Mongoose, from whichever the stuff is there, I'll just tell mongoose dot connect. So I want to just tell mongoose dot connect. So I want to connect the Mongoose URL. So whatever the database URL will be there. So this is a connection I'm just passing as the first argument. So then it will just take the function call. So if it's get connected, if it's just connected, I'll just message, I'll just give the particular console log. I'll just tell connected with database. Okay, I'll just tell boss connected with the database. Just tell hey boss. So it should display like this. Hey boss, connected with the database. It should just display me this particular stuff to me. Okay, so now what I need to do here is, so next I need to just tell export. I want to just export this module. I'll just tell module dot export. So I want to just tell connect to Mongo. So I want to just send back to this connect to this Mongo. So I'll just say this much. So whenever this particular works, it should just tell connected to Mongo. It should just work like this. So now what I need to do here is I need to have an index. So here you see we have given an entry point, right? So for the entry point, I need to just give the index.js file. So let's create as an index.js file. So I have been just created with the index.js file. So here I want to just connect to Mongo. Whatever the connect to Mongo is there, this is the exported one. I want to just import inside my index.js file. So if I just show like this, if I just tell connect to Mongo, so connect to Mongo, you can see if I just click on to enter, it is not just getting it. So what I'll do here is I want to just tell const connect to Mongo. So from where it is just coming, it will come from the require. So you can see automatic it has been taken. So required from /db connect to Mongo is been taken now. So now what I need to do, I want to just call the connect to Mongo function. I want to just call this connect to Mongo function inside my index.js file. I'll just tell I want to just call this connect to Mongo function. Okay, so it is a function call is been taking. So this is the file which we are just, so I'll just tell here, I'll just give the comment here, getting the function from db.js file. So from here I am just getting it. So I'll just tell calling the function. So here I'm just calling the particular function for it, so that it should just run the particular connect to Mongo server. So here I want to start the server. So what it means, here we need to use the express.js, all those things. So if I just show you here somewhere they have been given. So where is it? Express. So express1, here is the express1 routing, right? So here you see I want to just run this to application. I'll just copy this to application. So here I'll just tell I want to use an express server, and I'm just using our application app to this one, and I need to just pass the particular port number also. So I want to just pass the particular port number. So I'll just tell const port port. So here the port I'll just use it as 5000 port number. So then I'll just tell even the CO address we have been just passed. So I'll just tell where CO address. So I'll be just passing the CO address over here. So I'll just tell require. So I'll just tell require CO address. So it should just get it from this particular stuff. So I'll just tell CORS will be coming from this required CORS. Okay, CORS. So all the things has been correct. So here I need to just remove like this. So where CORS is equal to required CORS. So done. So now I need to just use this particular course over right now. So I need to just tell whatever my app is there, it should use what? It should use my CORS. It should use my CORS course, CORS policies. Then along with that, I need to just use the express also. So I need to just use the express also. My app should what use? It should use the express.js. Whatever the express data will be, all the JSON things will get there, that will just, it will just convert it. So it should use the particular step also. Okay, so these are all the things which should be used. So once it has been done, so I want to just run the particular app up now. So I want to run the app. So I'll just tell whenever my app starts, whenever I just tell whenever my index.html file, index.js file I will be running over here, it should just listen all the steps over here. So I'll just tell my application to listen. So what it should listen, so it should take the first argument as a port number. So it's the port number it should just take, and it should take the function call. So what this particular function call does means, so I'll just tell CLG, it should just tell the app is running at this particular port number, something like that. So I'll just tell in this particular fashion, I'll just tell app is running at the port PORT, app is running at the port. I'll just use a dollar symbol. So here I'll just pass the particular port number of it. Okay, so this is the thing I need to just do. So here is the database connectivity has been done. So we have just created an index or entry point, and we have just created a database configuration also. So let's see whether all the things works or not. To start the server, I'll just tell node-mon index.js file. So where I am, so you can see I am inside the M.E.R.N app application, and I'm inside my backend directory, and I'm just starting my server, that is a node-mon. So I'll be using a node-mon, that is what, index.js file. You can see the node-mon is starting. Here you can see app is running at the port number 8000. Whenever this particular function runs, once it is just run, it will just see the connectivity if the database is been connected. So what it is here is this particular thing is a function. It is a await function, like this is a function, is a await function, right? So yeah, it is a await function. So like once it is been this, whenever it is just getting it, whenever it is getting called, so it will just start inside the background. Then all the stuff will be, it is just connected, and it will start run app is going to start first, and it is just telling app is running at the port number 5000, and hey boss, database is connected. So this is how we can just connect our backend application. So if I just refresh the particular page here, so still here there is a no to do, because we have not created any of the database models. So it will just display later. So now for present we have been just connected. It is something, it is just saying like, hey boss, database has been connected. So all the thing has been working fine. So now all the stuff has been working. So we have just connected our database. In my next video we'll be saying how we can just create a get request, post request stuffs, and we'll see, look on to the models, like how we can just create a user model, so where I can just pass the particular email, password, all those stuffs, and we'll see how to install the schema, how to just use the particular model schema of it. Then we'll be just testing the particular URL routes. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.